Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix frozen screen in Realme Note 50. Guys, if your screen is frozen, all you guys have to do and your touch will not be working. So all you guys have to do, we need these two keys, power button key and volume up key. So all we guys have to do just long press these key and then continuously pressing this key for a while so that your phone will be restart. So as you see, now the screen is turned off and then we have a Realme logo here. It's mean our phone is now again restarting without any touch. Okay now guys, now let's see the touch is working. And this is how we can fix frozen screen problem in Realme Note 50 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.